I didn't see you there. It's the 7th day of bagging, and we just finished the 5th course. It comes up almost to my waist. It is the first day that we've gotten a whole course done, all in one day, so I guess we're getting better at it. We've got a drain pipe in for a second sink outside the bathroom for washing dishes and all that, since we're not going to have a kitchen in this first one. We just need to finish camping and we'll be done for the day.
It's the 8th day of bagging. We got about 3/4 of the way done with the 6th course. We're going to call it a day.
Bagging day 9. We just finished the 6th course.